National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Hartford County in northern Maryland, southeastern Baltimore County in northern Maryland, Cecil County in northeastern Maryland until 6:45 p.m. At 5:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bel Air South or near Aberdeen, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Middle River, Elkton, Aberdeen, Haverty Grace, Aberdeen Proving Ground, Calvert, Bel Air South, Essex, Bel Air North, Oley's Quarters, Riverside, Northeast, Rising Sunshine, Perryman, Charlestown, Cecileton, Blake, Bohemia's Mills, West Nottingham, and Bayview. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hails, damaging winds, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in Maryland, Baltimore, Cecil, and Hartford. A tornado warning remains.